So I picked myself up a new tool. It's an anvil press. It's missing a few items here on the side that the previous owner took off, and they added this fixture for the bottom. Fortunately for what I want to use it for, none of this is going to matter. Problem I'm having is when you step on the pedal, it's supposed to cycle once and stop. But as you can see, this one just keeps on going. So I don't know what, and I don't know where, but something's sticking, something's doing something it's not supposed to. So might as well just take it apart and make sure everything moves freely, make sure nothing's gunked up. Tried to get this whole assembly apart here, but everything comes off of one side, and there was a set screw that marred up the shaft, and it did so to the point where it would have required a lot of force to get that apart, and I don't have the ability here to press something like that out, and I really didn't think it was necessary. I may regret that later, but I just kind of need this thing to work, so I didn't get that main shaft assembly apart like I wanted to. But I guess life is full of compromise. So once I realized my mistake that I made earlier, I turned this thing around and put it back in the right way. Made a pretty big difference too, if you can imagine. I don't know how old this pulley is, but whatever was on there was very stubborn. And I was afraid that whatever it was causing the belt to slip a little. So that's why I was trying to get it off there. So it took a little fiddling, a little adjustment. But there it is. One step of the pedal gets you one punch, which is exactly what you want. So here I've got two pieces of aluminum here with a rivet in it and the previous owner's fixture plate, which is not what I'm going to be using. And that's what she does. Don't know if you can tell by the sound of my voice, but I'm very excited. Been hunting for one of these machines for about a year now, maybe more. And this one turned up within a few miles of the house for not a bad price either. So now I can move forward with a few other projects. Well, that's it. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching.